Welcome! In a world that never stops, finding peace can feel impossible. But what if you could reclaim calm in just a few moments each day? Today, I'll share 7 simple mindfulness practices, each under 5 minutes, to help you feel more centered and present, no matter how busy you are. Let's embark on a journey inward, beginning with the simple yet profound practice of mindful breathing. We'll use our breath as a tool to anchor ourselves in the present moment, leaving behind the worries of tomorrow and the regrets of yesterday. Your breath is always with you, a constant companion throughout your day. It's a resource you can tap into at any moment, regardless of where you are or what you're doing. It's a built-in anchor to the present, a lifeline that tethers you to the here and now. It's a way to ground yourself amidst the chaos of daily life. For 1 minute, a mere 60 seconds, dedicate your attention to this essential act. Simply notice your breath. Observe it without judgment, without trying to change it. Just be present with each inhale and exhale. Feel the cool inhale as it enters your nostrils, filling your lungs with life-giving oxygen. Notice the gentle rise of your chest and abdomen as your body expands, accommodating the incoming air. And then experience the warm exhale as you release the air, letting go of tension and stress. If your mind wanders, as it inevitably will, don't be discouraged. It's a natural part of the process. Gently, without self-criticism, return your focus to your breath. Guide your attention back to the sensation of breathing. Even 60 seconds of this simple practice can reset your mood, sharpen your focus, and bring a sense of calm to your day. Embrace the power of your breath. Now let's embark on a journey inward. We're going to try a quick body scan, a simple yet powerful technique to bring you into the present moment. This practice involves systematically focusing your attention on different parts of your body, noticing any sensations without judgment. It's a wonderful way to reconnect with yourself and cultivate a deeper sense of awareness. To begin, gently close your eyes, if that feels comfortable for you. Take a deep cleansing breath, filling your lungs completely, and bring your awareness, your full attention, to the very top of your head. Notice any sensations present there. Slowly and deliberately move your attention down to your forehead, noticing any tension or relaxation. Then shift your focus to your jaw, perhaps noticing if you're clenching or holding any tightness there. Now, bring your awareness to your shoulders, allowing them to soften and release any built-up tension. Continue down to your arms, noticing the feeling of your clothing against your skin or the gentle weight of your hands. Move your attention to your chest, feeling the gentle rise and fall with each breath. Bring your focus down to your legs, noticing how they feel against the chair or the floor. And finally, bring your awareness all the way down to your toes. Notice any sensations, whether they are pleasant, unpleasant, or neutral, without judgment. Simply observe them as they are. This simple check-in reconnects you with your body, bringing you back to the present moment and fostering a sense of groundedness. It helps to quiet the mental chatter and grounds you firmly in the now. Pause for gratitude. Right now, think of one thing, big or small, that you're grateful for. Maybe it's sunlight, a warm drink, or a friendly smile. Let yourself feel appreciation for a few seconds. These tiny gratitude moments can shift your mindset and brighten your day. Turn your next sip into a meditation. Before drinking, notice your beverage's color, aroma, and temperature. Take a slow sip, savor the taste, and feel it as you swallow. Mindful sipping transforms a routine act into a calming ritual. When your mind races, ground yourself with a 5 senses check-in. Notice one thing you can see, hear, feel, smell, and taste. This quick scan pulls you out of your thoughts and into the present moment, instantly calming your mind. Try intentional stretching. Sit or stand tall, inhale and slowly raise your arms overhead, feeling each muscle engage. Hold for a breath, then exhale and release. Even a single mindful stretch can refresh your body and mind during a busy day. For mental clarity, set a timer for 1 minute and write whatever comes to mind. No editing, no judgment. Let your thoughts flow onto the page. This quick journaling practice helps you process emotions and clear mental clutter. You now have 7 powerful, readily accessible tools at your fingertips. These aren't just abstract concepts, they are practical techniques designed to bring mindfulness into your everyday life. Think of them as keys, each unlocking a different pathway to inner peace and a greater sense of presence. Quick mindfulness tools. They are designed to be easily integrated into your busy schedule, offering moments of calm amidst the chaos. From guided meditations to simple breathing exercises, these tools are your allies in navigating the stresses of modern life. Pick one or two to weave into your daily routine. Experiment and see what resonates with you. There's no right or wrong answer here. It's about finding what works best for your individual needs and preferences. Consider setting a reminder on your phone or adding it to your to-do list to ensure you stay consistent. Maybe a mindful breath before a meeting. Taking just a few deep breaths can help center you, reduce anxiety, and improve your focus, allowing you to approach the situation with a clearer mind and a more grounded perspective. Or a gratitude pause at lunch. Instead of rushing through your meal, take a moment to appreciate the food in front of you, the people you're sharing it with, and the simple act of nourishment. This small shift in perspective can transform a mundane task into a moment of joy and connection. Small moments of presence add up, creating a ripple effect that extends throughout your day. Each mindful act, no matter how small, contributes to a greater sense of well-being and resilience, transforming stress into calm, allowing you to navigate challenges with greater ease and grace. By cultivating mindfulness, you're not just reducing stress, you're building a foundation for a more peaceful and fulfilling life, and deepening your appreciation for life. Mindfulness allows you to savor the beauty of the present moment, fostering a sense of gratitude and contentment. It's about recognizing the good in your life, even amidst difficulties. Thank you for joining me. I truly appreciate you taking the time to explore these mindfulness practices. Remember, this is a journey, not a destination, so be patient with yourself and celebrate your progress along the way. Let me know which practice you'll try first. I'm eager to hear about your experiences and how these tools are impacting your life. Feel free to share your thoughts and insights in the comments below. Be well and be present. May your days be filled with moments of peace, joy, and connection. Remember to breathe, to appreciate, and to simply be.